The Umkhonto weSizwe Party's Mpumalanga chairperson and former public protector, Busisiwe Mkhwebane, has opened a criminal case with the Bronkhortspruit Police, claiming her life is under threat following the leak of a chilling audio recording that has exposed deep divisions within the party's provincial leadership. The leaked recording, now circulating widely, features the suspended Provincial Secretary Abednego Mkhatshwa allegedly making violent threats against a fellow party member whom he accused of being an askari, a term historically used to describe a spy or a double agent. Mkhatshwa is heard saying, "She's killing us. I've never seen such an askari. We're dying. The tire must burn. I'm chasing Mkhwebane. I'm going to burn her. Burn her. The organization will be free." Reacting to the audio, Mkhwebane said she was treating the matter with utmost seriousness and said, "It is with a heavy heart but resolute in spirit that I address this malicious audio recording circulated by the Mpumalanga Provincial Secretary Abednego Mkhatshwa, wherein he issues direct assassination threats against my life and fabricates outrageous lies to tarnish my reputation." Mkhwebane has since opened a criminal case, saying the comments cannot simply be dismissed as political bluster. Mkhatshwa has repeatedly claimed the recording was taken out of context and meant metaphorically. He downplayed the incident, saying, "You know how after tears can be," to the social gatherings that follow funerals. He alleged the conversation took place after some of Mkhwebane's associates insisted on a late-night sleepover in Bronkhortspruit, a situation he described as a trap, and said it was already in the early hours when this happened. "We agreed not knowing it was a trap," insisting that the words burn and kill were not meant literally, that you can ask around. When we say lo ngiyamushisa, it means I'm going to expose them. That's like killing their career. Despite his defense, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's Mpumalanga leadership has taken decisive action. Both Mkhatshwa and MK convener Charles Nkuna were suspended last week following what the party described as an extended detachment meeting in Mbombela. Mkhatshwa's suspension letter cited a series of defiance and disregard of the Mpumalanga provincial detachment and referred to the leaked recording in which he made an unprecedented threat to burn the provincial chairperson alive. Political analyst Meki Makgoba said Mkhwebane's decision to involve the police highlights the escalating tension within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, and said this incident not only exposes the deep fissures within the MKP in Mpumalanga, but also reignites public scrutiny of Mkhwebane's own political trajectory. After a turbulent tenure as public protector, Mkhwebane joined the EFF before later moving to the MK party, where her husband also serves. But internal party strife, Makgoba warned, could threaten her political footing once again, and said the outcome of the police investigation and MKP's internal processes will be pivotal. They will determine not just Mkhwebane's political fate, but also the stability and credibility of the MK party in Mpumalanga. As the investigation unfolds, the rift within the MKP's provincial structures appears far from healed, and Mkhwebane's fight for survival, both politically and personally, continues to intensify. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.